So, welcome, you're with Bikeland, and today we have an exciting unboxing video for you. And we're going to open this up and take a look at what is inside. That, and it's something that is particularly cool, I think. It is here. This is Arai's new Quantum X drone. Let me get this down here. Can I move this in? You guys can see what it's like. I'm going to open this up right in here. The peanuts. That. Arai America's, upside down, if you want to call it a P.O. box right there. With the fog resistant pin lock system, like that. And something else was under here before we pulled that guy out. I swear I saw some decals in there, but even better than that, this is, they really packaged this, huh? Tied in a bow for you. So this helmet is available now, and it is I believe it's $829 US MSRP, and that is the Quantum X drone. A super cool matte carbon fiber pattern on it. Now, what's really cool about this Quantum X drone is that it is, what's something special to me, the round oval. Okay, so Arai did away with the round oval a while back. So if you're a round oval person like me, you might have held on to helmets like this. This one's expired in 2003. But it just never quite fit properly when I switched over to the intermediate oval, which is this one, still beautifully made, but still kind of squished my head, made it so that I couldn't get a pair of sunglasses on comfortably or eyeglasses. And so in 2016 in September, Arai reintroduced the round oval head shape. And so if you wear a round oval, you can get the Quantum series again. And this is going to be the helmet for you. Some of the huge exciting features of Arai are very large switches that you can use your easily accessible gloves. So easily accessible via your gloves for more ventilation. Still has the Arai chin pad release system in case you end up in jeopardy. And the entire interior is fully removable and washable. The other thing that's exciting about Arai is that their helmets are handmade in Japan. And it's a family-run company. So we appreciate that because Bikeland's also a family-run company. Of course, none of our stuff is handmade because it's all digital, but these guys have been making helmets for generations. We consider them to be one of the top manufacturers in the world. Safety equipment is very, very important when you're riding a motorcycle, and we really do appreciate the enormous amount of detail and quality that goes into making these helmets. So if you are in the market for a helmet and you're looking to spend some of your money and you missed that round oval shape that mysteriously made its way back into the market and you might not be aware that it's there, the Arai Quantum series is back, and I'm going to try it on. The other thing that I always love about Arai, and if you go to an Arai dealer, they will fit your head specifically for your helmet, is, how the heck do you do this little guy? Hold on a second here. Is that they fit perfectly. I'm going to see if this fits the same as my old Quantum. Yeah, looks like I'm trapped. But more importantly, this helmet fits exactly the same as this Quantum did for me and all the other Quantums that I've owned. So, there you go. Of course, remember to visit us at www.bikeland.org. We are one of the few remaining motorcycle websites that have not been purchased by a marketing company. So enjoy our infrequent news updates and visit AraiAmericas.com.